Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mark Jabi Idim, and I am here to present the different parts of a vehicle and its functions.
Balag ang automatic.
This is the steering wheel, controls the direction of a vehicle, transmits the driver's direction to the steering shaft, which move the wheels left and right. This is the horn. The horn is activated to warn others vehicle presence or approach, or to call some attention to some hazard. Left pedal, the clutch pedal that makes the car go. Middle pedal, the brake pedal, slows all four wheels at the same time. Right pedal, the gas or the accelerator pedal that more you push it down, the more it increases the fuel flow into the engine and the faster you go. This one is the turn signal indicator. Turn signals provide an effective means of communication to let other drivers know where you are going so that they can act accordingly. This is the gear lever or a gear stick, a lever that you use to change gear on a car or other vehicle. This is the handbrake of a car. It is used to keep the vehicle securely motionless when parked. The function of this light is to empower the drivers and others to see when it's dark. Put it.
Go.
This is the window. It helps to protect the interior of the vehicle from rain, wind, snow, and other weather conditions. This is the automotive battery or a car battery. Is used to start the vehicle. Its main purpose is to provide an electric current to the electric powered starting motor. Wheels. This serve the function of translating engine's power into motion. Taillights are the red lamps on the rear of a vehicle. Their purpose is to ensure that you are visible to others. This is side view mirror or side mirror, helping the drivers see areas behind to the sides of the vehicle outside the driver's peripheral vision or blind spot. This is the windshield wiper. It is used to remove rain, dirt, pollen, frost, and other debris quickly and smoothly at the push of a button. This is the windshields. Protect the vehicle's occupants from wind and flying debris such as dust, insects, and rocks, and provide an aerodynamically formed window toward the front.